The second generation iFi Neo iDSD tries to be a all-in-one desktop setup. Does it succeed in giving you all the features and performance for just $899? Let's find out. For design and build, it has the DNA of all other iFi devices. With a solid aluminum chassis, premium and durable build, and this small 2-inch screen for indicators. You can put this unit both horizontally as well as vertically. In front, you have all the buttons and your 6.35 and 4.4 outputs. Volume knob, that's also a button to perform menu selection, and you have buttons for input selection, gain modes, X bass and X space. Connectivity is thorough. Your USB, coaxial, optical, analog, XLR, RCA, etc. everything is there. And it also supports Bluetooth 5.4 with LDAC as well as aptX lossless capabilities. So from I/O perspective, this is a solid DAC and amp. For technical standpoint, it has a burr-brown chipset, though not officially disclosed by iFi. It supports PCM 768, DSD 512 and full MQA, and it provides 5.5 watt power at 32 ohm. And this power is enough for almost all the headphones out there, except of course some use cases like tungsten or your Suswara. Everything else will run smoothly here. For gain settings, it has 4 modes: earphones, normal, turbo and nitro. While it is very thoughtful, I found this distortion in the amp section. If you listen to it with some sensitive IEMs, there's hiss. And at the same time, in your high gain modes, you will find hiss in some of the setups. Which comes to the part sound. In low gain, the sound is very much controlled neutral with a slight body to it. Very much iFi-like sound and very good to listen. However, this mode can only be used for IEMs. If you want to use headphones, you have to go to turbo or nitro mode. And if you go to that particular mode, sound becomes very bright. To control this, you have to use modes like X bass. However, it's not a very tasteful signature from iFi Neo iDSD in the high gain modes. And at the same time, I found this hiss and distortion present in these modes for any device that has low impedance or a little bit sensitive. If I talk about signature as general here, I would say bass is well controlled, the lower mids have a nice body to it. And my major hiccup comes with the upper mids and the treble region. It is a little bit bright and thin. It does not go into the harsh category. However, it comes out a little bit shiny and bright to me. Though at the same time, it does not hamper in terms of imaging, and the resolution is kept very neat with a very good detail retrieval as well. My only caveat is, except that low mode, in any gain mode, it lacks that sweet tonality that comes with any other iFi devices that I love. So I would say iFi Neo DSD2 is a strong implementation by iFi as an all-in-one performer with feature and performance. However, it falls short sonically. I would give this a 2.5 stars, and I would say it needs some refinement, especially in the amp section of it. Till then, this was it for iFi Neo iDSD2. Do let me know your thoughts about which DAC and amp you are using right now in comments. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.